legacy you wanna leave? What legacy you wanna give? What legacy you wanna share? People you love to be with, you cared for them, restored their dignity. That is your legacy. Honesty. Honesty you exhibited. Transparency you displayed. That love for them you cared so much could not be measured, could not be repaid. That is your legacy we won't forget. Honestly, your legacy. Salamat sa pagmamahal. Di ka namin malilimutan. Saan ka man naroon, serbisyo mo'y matatandaan. Panginoon, salamat po sa legacy niya. Honesty sa legacy niya. Honesty. Legacy, honesty, for those who are really honest, dedicated to them.